The current climate we work in right now is quite fiscally constrained. Being able to be pragmatic and scalable in what we do is really important. It could be working back from what's possible, so understanding what our financial envelopes might be, what we think our social license mandate frames might be, and actually working back to say how can we deliver the best outcomes we can within that. Or it could be a time frame based thing. What can we do at the time we got? There might be a big event coming. There might be a critical integration with another project. So it's about making sure we understand scalable, stageable, and flexible solutions that deliver an outcome that we're trying to achieve from a strategic standpoint as well. To make pragmatism work, we have to understand what people really value in their service. So it really is about making the service the forefront and the infrastructure second. The Norwest Busway is an interesting example. We did a business case for that back in about 2018, I think. That really set out a pragmatic, staged implementation of a new busway to Auckland's really poorly served Northwest. It really sat in the background for a number of years, but now it's New Zealand's highest priority public transport project. And I think the pragmatic, stageable solution has really enabled NZTA and Auckland Transport to pick that up and find a way of delivering that in this current environment, which is really satisfying to see.